Alright, welcome back. We left off. I think we're about 30 quests away from the end of the game. It is currently 5:35 a.m. and I decided to just sort of start playing this because I'm trying to learn Unity, right? And I ran into an issue where I'm pretty sure I crashed out. Silently crashed out. And I just didn't want to, I just couldn't be bothered with it anymore for today. So, yeah. So like okay, so there's like in the current assignment, it's an optional assignment, right? But in that assignment, it says to I'm essentially just creating a spawner for something I've already made, so I don't have to manually input a prefab into it. It just spawns it periodically instead of just having a single object. But there was some code where I used Copilot, right, to help me to create that block of code where man, it's frustrating. It's frustrating to think about because I'm just kind of a dumbass and I don't really know what I'm doing. But yeah, it's like it was part of code that when a game object is created, the script then tells that game object to fly in a random direction. Oh shit. What the hell was that? In a random direction, angle, and I think speed. So and one of the sorry, I'm spacing out, man. Yeah, okay, so initially you had to create the game object, right? It just spawns. It just spawns into the game. And you create the block of code that manages in which direction and speed the game object will like go once it's spawned in. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Then the assignment said to attempt to create like that block of code on your own, but if you can't do it, just copy paste it. I kind of skipped that copy paste and did my own with the help of Copilot. So when I now that I'm doing this other assignment, it's proving difficult because there's in step 5, I think, it says to use an instantiate method, and then have that method choose a direction. But my code didn't use any like direction variables. It's just like 4 lines, and then the one that the instructor provided has like 16 lines of code, and I'm like, what do you mean? What do you mean, dude? Oh, that's pretty good. So yeah, I kind of ran into a stumbling block, got frustrated, and then gave up for today temporarily. Yeah. So tomorrow I will attempt it again, but I'm going to go back to the assignment where I created the asteroid game object script thing and attempt to fix it before going on to this next step, so I can have a better base, if that makes sense. 3. Why is this so much? What? So much damage. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I see, like, I also can't stay still and focus. I need to be constantly distracted, which I'm trying to work on too, but it's just like, god damn. It's so easy to focus on games because you're just going from one thing to another, but trying to learn new things, it's just like, man, this is so fucking boring. Holy shit. Like, learning this is it's kind of fun, right? Because, like, you could say, this is your class. In C#, this is your class, right? And then all of these skill points, like all these perks, all these skills, all these skills within your class are like methods which change your behavior, right? Like, I think that's how you would say it, how you would phrase it. But it's just like, man, then this is another class where it has these objects with these properties, and it's like, man, I don't even know how to begin to do some shit like this, and it's like, what the hell? Because in my mind, I'm like, damn, if I don't know how to do this, I suck. I don't know about this. Good old Stinger. I like this submachine gun. Just run and gun. kind of sucks against shields because, you know, too much fire rate. Damn, this thing kind of hits like a truck. What the hell? A question that just popped up into my in my head is what seems to be the main issue. I want to say it's just everything, mainly because I can't, like, you know, God, you know, I just. I can't self-reflect enough to where it can be like, all right, well, this is the problem. And it's frustrating. Oh Lord. It's just very difficult.
Always room for more loot.
I might want to start switching to Axton's specialty. I mean, Roland's specialty with assault rifles and stuff. It's like that's a game object, right? It gets instantiated into the game, and then it initializes like a moving script or some shit, right? Causing it to like move in this certain direction like this, right? It spawns in. It instantiates, and then it initializes like a movement script, so move forward. And then there's like maybe another script where it's like keep moving forward, and then it has like a certain like radius, like a detection radius or something. Where once it like finds the player game object, like me, like where did it go? Like that, like this one right here. Like if I'm over here, if it can't see me, it just goes back into idle, right? Like it's not shooting, because I'm out of its field of range, or so. Hold on, let me. Like okay, like those over there. I am outside their field of range, so they're not shooting me. They're shooting at those other game objects because those aren't considered within their, how you say, like they don't have the same tags as this. Like maybe this one's like Lance, but then this one's Guardian. So they start attacking each other. I see that whole me talking right there. I don't know if I made any sense because I lost track of whatever the fuck I was talking about. It's just holy shit. So yeah, now that I'm in their field of view, and there isn't as many guardian enemies, or maybe I take the player takes priority when it comes to that sort of thing. I don't know. I'll take it. Man. Dang. No! He was like 2 shots, dude. 2 shots and he would have died. Exploded. See, like this right here. This probably has some like condition where it's like, if has killed, if killed, like if parentheses enemy killed is equal to like no, I think, like a boolean, right? Like a yes, a true, false. Then it has like some like curly brackets and some shit where it's like activate like skill if skill is allocated on this tree, like since I don't have quick charge isn't proccing. Like man, like dude, this shit, I don't get it. I'm so used to like just like how would you say this, like I'm so used to just using shit other people have already pre-built that creating stuff is difficult.
Nailed it. Armaments here.
Like how do you make something like this chest, right? Where every time the game loads, this is closed, and then but every time the game also like gets reloaded, has a random variety of like gear or weapons, like ball pistols, a sniper and an assault rifle, shotguns, a single rocket launcher. It's just weird, man. And I don't get it. It's also because I tend to just give up easily when it comes to learning something new. And it's just I'm not like am I interested in learning C# and Unity? Yes. Am I interested in learning? Okay, am I interested in C# and Unity? Yes. Am I interested in C#? I mean, am I interested in learning? Like actually learning how to use how to like do all this stuff? Kind of. It doesn't really grab my attention. I just realized that it's like it's 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 not even lined up. We're in a 3D space, but this thing's like a 2D object, and it just slices through the roof, dude. What the hell? Get out of my face, man. Back online.
Who betrayed whom? Steel has taken the key and is already on her way to the vault. Hey, for me, take the bitch down.
Got it, tennis. Right. I guess that's it for now. Well, I'm not gonna stop playing, but just the mission's over.